During the month of November, guava, the commonly found fruit in rice field, also start ripening, and paddy also started coming out from the paddy plant in the form of flowering. And on this last week of November, paddy harvesting season is started. August-September month, the Simong WRC field area turned into lush green, and now the winter approaching, all lush greenish turn into reddish, yellow, or seem very dry. This indicates the ripening of paddy in the Simong area. Winter season, that is last week of November and first week of December, is one of the busiest season of the year, and even more busy than summer season, as it because during winter season the day is much shorter than the summer. On the month of November or harvesting season, Simong WRC field view like whole yellow bowl, and during this month, especially the women folk is the most busiest and start harvesting paddy. During the winter season, the rainfall is almost negligible in comparison to summer, but this year, that is 2020, highest rainfall was recorded, and weather forecast of mobile phone has also forecast rainy almost. And this harvesting time, rain started falling and disturbed the people. But they also enjoying this rainfall as there is a natural lake inside the middle of Simong WRC area. From this lake, women flock used to collect or catch seasonal fish, frog to eat, which is one of the local dishes of Simong village and its most favorite dishes of the village, especially for all age people. And it's play a vital role in the living habit of Simong people. And this season is also for collecting of tari. Some call it kandipuk, and it's collected from the mighty Siang river during free time.
Hinta ko pare.
After drizzling rainfall, weather seems clear and pleasant. Simong people restarted their paddy harvesting after disturbed by unwanted rainfall during this winter season. The women group also earning well during this season as harvesting is not so tough like ploughing and leveling, etc. And they deal contract with field owner for harvesting their paddy instead of self-work so that they can earn few money for their self-earning. Also, the women group formed self-help group so that they work together and also help the needy family of the village and also earn and make some saving for the group during emergencies. During the earlier days, to trace the paddy, people used to beat the bunch of collected paddy and beat by wooden and bamboo stick. But now modern machine replaced this technique, but many villagers still use this beating technique and it's enjoyable sometimes.
Wave Beats Music.
In this year 2020, due to corona pandemic, whole world went under the fear. Whole economy was badly affected, but Simong villager has decided not to bow down and to continue to follow our own tradition of cultivation and successfully done the same by keeping aside fear psychosis of COVID-19 pandemic. After separated paddy from their plant, villagers used to transport their paddy from agriculture field to their respective home. As being a Simongian, WRC is our own traditional and heritage. Wherever we are and whatever we are, agriculture is our culture and identity. After that, it's time to thank God for bumper harvesting in the name of Aran. Aran festival is one of the most important and major festival of Simong. It because God has blessed us with bumper harvest and we thank back God by offering them with newly harvested rice cake, millet alcohol by sacrificing pig, mithun, hen, etc. And Aran festival is celebrating first week of February.